Hello friends, this is a solid granny square pattern. This is a very pretty version of the traditional granny square. The pattern is easily made longer to any size you require. Let us start. I am using the 3 color of cotton thread, crochet cotton thread, and one 3.5 mm crochet hook. Let us start. First make one slip knot. And make 4 chains. Then I am going to the 4th chain from my hook. Here I am making double crochet. I am making total 11 double crochet into this in this stitch. You repeat 11 times 11 DC into this ring. I have made 11 double crochet in the same stitch, and this is the first 3 chain. Here I am joining it with slip stitch. I have completed my first round, and here you cut your extra yarn. Then I am joining the another color thread. You join it in any stitch of the circle. Here you join it with slip stitch. And then make 5 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain, and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Then go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet, then go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet, and then go to the next. Here you make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and then go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet. Then next you make 2 DC in the same stitch, and the next stitch you make 1 DC, 2 chain, 1 DC in the same stitch. You repeat same pattern in this round. I have completed my second round. Here you join, this is the first 3 chains. Here you join it with slip stitch. Then this is the, in this round I am making the 4 space, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You start from this space, make 1 slip stitch and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain. Count as a 1 DC, 2 chain, and make 1 double crochet in the same gap. And then make, this is the very first stitch of the third round. Here you make 2 double crochet, and then make 1 double crochet in the next next 5 stitches. You make 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches, and then this is the last stitch of this side. Here you make 2 DC in the same stitch, and this is the next space. Here you make 1 DC, 2 chain, 1 DC, here I am making 5 chain, 1 DC in the same space, and then next stitch 2 DC, and the next 4 stitches I am making 1 DC in every stitch. This is the last stitch. Here I am making 2 DC, and then this is the space. here I am making 1 DC, 2 chain, 1 DC, and then go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet. In the next 4 stitches I am making 1 DC the every stitch. And this is the last stitch. Here I am making 2 DC, and this is the space. Here I am making 1 DC, 2 chain, 1 DC. You repeat same pattern in this round. I completed my 3rd round, and then 4th round we will make same things. 5 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 chain, and make 1 DC in the same space. This is the first space of the square, and then in the very first stitch you make 2 DC, and then make 1 DC the next next 6 stitches. Six, 7, 8. You make 1 DC in the next 8 stitches. This is the last stitch of this side. Here you make 2 DC. And then this is the space. Here you make 2 DC, 2 chain, 2 DC. You repeat same pattern in this round, and the pattern is easily made longer to any size you require, and you can change your color of yarn. Here I am using 3 color yarn, and this is the very simple square, and you can make it easily, and you can make any types of afghans of this use of this pattern, and please try it.